Benjamin Franklin was an amazing man. His face is on the US $100 bill because of the impact he made on America and his work as one of the founding fathers. Although he was never president, Benjamin Franklin played a very important role in building the American nation.
An idea discovered by Franklin when he was just a small printer in Philadelphia and badly in debt, transformed his life. He thought of himself as a simple man of ordinary ability, but believed he could acquire the essential principles of successful living, if only he could find the right method. Having an inventive mind, he devised a method so simple, yet so practical, that anyone could use it. Franklin chose 13 subjects which he felt were necessary or desirable for him to acquire and try to master, and he gave a week's strict attention to each subject successively. In this way, he was able to go through his entire list in 13 weeks, and repeat the process 4 times in a year. When he was 79 years old, Benjamin Franklin wrote more about this idea than anything else that ever happened to him in his entire life. 15 pages. For to this one thing, he felt that he owed all his success and happiness. He concluded by writing, "I hope, therefore, that some of my descendants may follow the example and reap the benefit." These are Franklin's 13 subjects, just as he wrote them down, and the order in which he used them. 1. Temperance. Eat not to dullness, drink not to elevation. 2. Silence. Speak not, but what may benefit others or yourself. Avoid trifling conversation. 3. Order. Let all your things have their places, let each part of your business have its time. 4. Resolution. Resolve to perform what you ought, perform without fail what you resolve. 5. Frugality. Make no expense but to do good to others or yourself, i.e., waste nothing. 6. Industry. Lose no time, be always employed in something useful, cut off all unnecessary actions. 7. Sincerity. Use no hurtful deceit, think innocently and justly, and, if you speak, speak accordingly. 8. Justice. Wrong none by doing injuries, or omitting the benefits that are your duty. 9. Moderation. Avoid extremes, forbear resenting injuries so much as you think they deserve. 10. Cleanliness. Tolerate no uncleanliness in body, clothes, or habitation. 11. Tranquility. Be not disturbed at trifles, or at accidents common or unavoidable. 12. Chastity. Rarely use venery but for health or offspring, never to dullness, weakness, or the injury of your own or another's peace or reputation. 13. Humility. Imitate Jesus and Socrates. So here's what you do: make up your own list of 13 subjects. Then create a small card, maybe 3 inches by 5 inches, a pocket reminder, for each one of your subjects, with a brief summary of the principles applicable to that subject. Every week, carry the card on that subject in your pocket. At odd moments during the day, read those principles, and just for that 1 week, focus on them and be determined to follow them as much as you can. The next week, do the same for your second subject. Carry the card and focus on that subject. And so on, each week. After you have completed the first 13 weeks, you will realize you are beginning to get a better hold on yourself. You will begin to feel an inward power that you had not felt before. Each week, you will gain a clearer understanding of each subject. Many years ago, one of the greatest salesmen in America used the plan and attributed his success to it. Here are the 13 subjects he chose. 1. Enthusiasm. 2. Self-organization. 3. Consider others. 4. Ask relevant questions. 5. Identify the key issue. 6. Keep silent and listen. 7. Be sincere. 8. Knowledge of my business. 9. Appreciation and praise. 10. Show my happiness to others. 11. Remember names and faces. 12. Service and opportunities. 13. Closing the sale, take action. So here's what you do. Take action. Make your own list of 13 areas where you want to improve your life. Start with the first one, make a small card with the summary of your principles on it. Spend a week focusing on that one area, using the card to remind you of what you need to be doing. The next week, take subject number 2 and do the same thing. In 13 weeks, you will have gone through your entire list. Then start again. At the end of 1 year, you will have focused on each one of those areas 4 times, and you will begin naturally to do the things you want to do, to become who you want to be. So go on. Make your own list and try it, you will not regret it.